Right now, something is watching you that shouldn't be able to exist. It has 3 hearts, its blood runs blue, and 2/3 of its mind isn't in its head, it's in its arms. It can taste with its skin, see without eyes, and squeeze a body the size of a child through a hole the width of a coin. Grab it, and it will rip off its own arm and leave it squirming in your hand while it escapes. Scientists don't call it an animal. They call it the closest thing to an alien that has ever touched this planet. And by the end of this video, the way it dies is going to stay with you for a long time. Start here. An octopus is basically a brain wrapped in a bag of muscle. No bones, no shell, nothing solid in its entire body, except a beak the size of your thumbnail. So it fits anywhere. Aquariums have filmed them unscrewing jars from the inside, escaping sealed tanks at night, and crawling across dry floors to raid other exhibits. One named Inky waited until the lights went out, squeezed out of his tank, crossed the room, and slid down a 160-foot drain pipe straight back into the ocean. They never saw him again. But the alien part is how it thinks. An octopus has around 500 million neurons, as many as a dog. And most of them aren't in its brain. 2/3 of them live in its 8 arms. Each arm can taste, feel, and make decisions on its own, without asking the brain for permission. Sever an arm, and it keeps reaching, grabbing, even hunting, for hours. This isn't one animal making choices. It's 9 minds sharing one body. Then there's the skin. In under a second, it can change color, pattern, and texture, spiking into fake seaweed or melting into smooth stone. And here's the part that breaks scientists. The octopus is completely colorblind. Its eyes physically cannot see color. The leading theory is unreal. Its skin is packed with the same light detectors found in eyes, which means an octopus may literally see with its entire body. And if all of that already sounds impossible, good, because none of it was ever supposed to happen. Not here, not on this branch of life. Every smart animal you've ever heard of, dolphins, crows, chimps, we're all family. We built our minds on the same blueprint, branching off the same tree. The octopus left that tree around 600 million years ago, before dinosaurs, before fish, before anything on Earth even had a backbone. So it didn't inherit its intelligence from a shared ancestor. It invented intelligence. From scratch, alone, down a completely separate path. It is the only advanced mind on this planet that has nothing to do with our own. If we ever meet real aliens, the octopus is our one rehearsal, which makes what happens to it so hard to accept. Because this brilliant, impossible mind gets almost no time to use it. Most octopuses live just 1 to 2 years. A female lays her eggs 1 time, and then she stops eating. She won't leave them, not to hunt, not to save herself. She spends her final weeks in the dark, fanning them with fresh water, guarding them from anything that comes close, slowly starving beside them. And the moment they hatch, she dies. Every one of them, an orphan from its very first second of life. Nothing is passed down, no lessons, no memory. Each octopus is a genius that has to figure out the entire world completely alone. And then, it's gone. Imagine what this animal could become if it lived as long as we do. What it could build. What it could teach the next one. Instead, the smartest alien on Earth blinks into existence, teaches itself everything, and vanishes within a year. Over and over for 600 million years. If that just rearranged something in your head, subscribe. The ocean is hiding things far stranger than fiction, and we are only getting started.